In this video, I will show you how to get timestamps using bash scripts. Timestamps are very important to keep records of user logins and current time. So let's get started. Here I will show you two practical cases to get timestamps. In the first case, I will show you how to get timestamp in local time. So let's see how it works. First, I will create a script named localtime.sh. For this, I will use the nano command. The nano text editor pops up, so I'll edit my script over here. I will start with the shebang line as usual. Next, I'll define a variable time, or it can better be set to local time. Now I'll use a command substitution with a date command and a format specifier. So I'll have $sign and parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I'll write the date command where I'll use the format specifier %t. Now using the %t format specifier, it retrieves the current local time, stores the value in the local time variable. Now I'll print the variables. To access it, I'll use the $sign. My script is complete. So I'll save using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script. First, I'll provide the executable file permission. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it prints the current local time in hour, minute, and seconds format. Next, in case 2, I will show you how to get timestamp in UTC time. So let's see how it works. So I will start by creating a script named utctimestamp.sh. For this, I will use the nano command. Now I will edit my script. So I will start with the shebang line as usual. Now I will define a variable named UTC_timestamp, where I will use command substitution with the date command and the format specifier %t and an option -u. So for this, I'll use $sign and parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I'll write the date command and u option and also format specifier. Now I'll print the variable using the echo command. To access the variable, I'll use the $sign. My script is complete, so I'll save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it's time to execute the script, but first I'll provide the executable file permission. For this, I'll use the chmod command. Now I'll execute the script using the // notation. As you can see, it prints the current time in the UTC format. So this was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Also, the script files will be available in the video description to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.